Hey here, it's WTI, and if you're a puzzle lover, you absolutely must get a puzzle board. Now, what makes this so awesome is that it's portable. So yes, you can do your puzzle on your table, but you could also do your puzzle in bed, or do your puzzle in the living room, or just put it away altogether. That is one of the worst parts of puzzle making, is taking up an entire kitchen table for weeks. So this way, it can be out of sight when you're not using it. So this board accommodates a 1,500 piece puzzle. It has a nice felt backing so that your puzzle pieces are not slipping and sliding around. It also has 4 magnetic drawers that come out. So you can separate your colors, you can pull these in and out depending on how you want to divide up your pieces. The felt board comes off, it locks in place, but when you want to remove it, you can take it off and then you can decide to tilt it, which is really cool. Now the base comes with 2 hinge options, but really only one direction has the notches. So you can do it horizontally, and then you have a nice surface to work off of. This is great if you have a sore back or you just want to be a little closer to your project. It makes it really accessible. It comes with a mat to cover it up. It'll keep your puzzle in place and makes it much easier to transport. The base also has a swivel, so it rotates. If you are doing a puzzle in a group or you just want to be able to access the other side, this makes it so easy. So if you want to step up your puzzle game, make it a real pleasure to do your puzzles, I think you absolutely need to check out this puzzle board from QUOKKA, and that's my point of view.